So in this video we are just going to discuss the formation of mountains. So mountain formation refers to the geological processes that underlie the formation of mountains. These processes are associated with large scale movements of the earth crust, folding, faulting and volcanic activities. Igneous intrusion and metamorphism can all be the parts of orogenic process of mountain building. The formation of mountain is not necessarily related to the geological structure found on it. The understanding of specific landscape feature in terms of the underlying tectonic processes is called tectonic geomorphology, and the study of geologically young or ongoing process is called like neotectonic. So from the late 18th century until its replacement by plate tectonics in the 1960s, geosyncline theory was used to explain much mountain buildings. The next question is, how are mountains formed? So mountains are formed by slow but gigantic movements by the earth crust, that is the outer layer of the earth. The earth's crust is made up of 6 huge slabs called plates, which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. When two slabs of the earth crust smash into each other and the land can be pushed upward, forming mountains. Many of the greatest mountain ranges of the world have formed because of enormous collision between the continents. So mountains form in different ways. Sometimes the crust has folded and bugged, sometimes it breaks into huge blocks. In both cases, great areas of land are lifted upwards to form mountains. Other mountains are formed by the earth's crust rising into a dome or by a volcanic activity when the crust cracks open. What different types of mountains are there? So there are 5 basic kinds of mountain: fold mountain, fault mountain, dome mountain, volcanic mountain and plateau mountains. So these are the types of mountains which are classified. Their classification is based on how they are formed. Now first of all, we are just discuss fold mountains. So fold mountains are the most common type of mountain. The world's largest mountain ranges are fold mountains. These ranges were formed over millions of years. Fold mountains are formed when two plates collide head on and their edges crumbled much the same way as a piece of paper fold when pushed together. The upward folds are known as anticlines and the downward folds are synclines. So there are some examples of fold mountains which include Himalayan mountain in Asia, the Alps in Europe, the Andes in South America, the Rockies in North America, the Urals in Russia. The Himalayan mountains were formed when India crashed into Asia and pushed up the tallest mountain range on the continent.